Hello, my name is Cristian, and today we will be talking about equations. Most importantly, two-step equations. There are two types of equations. There are one-step equation and two-step equations. They're practically the same exact thing, except in the two-step equations, like in the name, there are two steps, and if you don't put them in order, you'll get a completely wrong answer. Both of those equations are inverse operations. But on the two-step equations, the two inverse operations that you need is step 1, add and subtract, and step 2, multiply and divide. Add and subtract always have to be first on an inverse operation or on a two-step equation, or else you would get the wrong answer. As you can see on screen, the problem I will be solving today is 3x take away 9 equals 45. In this clip, I am starting to write my problem out. As I said, our problem was 3x take away 9 equals 45. As you can see here, I am starting to add the 9 on both the negative 9 and the 45. Since there is already a takeaway sign on the 9, there is no need to use any subtraction here. And I am doing it on both 45 and 9 because what you do to one side, you do to the other side. The third step, which is shown on the screen, is that you have to take away the negative 9 and the positive 9 out of the equation. So you will only be left with 3x and 45 plus 9, which the plus 9 will make it 54. So you would be left with a total of 3x equals 54. Now you have to put the equation as a fraction. So what you have to do is that you have to put 3 over 3. And you also have to put an x, representing the x on the 3. And like we talked about, that 9 plus 45 equals 54, you are going to put 54 over the 3 because that's your denominator, and the denominator doesn't change. And that will equal 18. But since this is an equation, we have to write the answer down as a variable. So it'll equal x equals 18. Now comes the easiest part, checking your answer. So we're going to put 3 times 18, since 18 was the answer, equals 54. Because 3 times 18 equals 54. And we're going to take that away by 9 because that was our starting number. And that'll give us 45. And that was the answer for the equation. So that means we got the equation correct.